TV alive.
Alright, we're not going to open up any presents.
What's she crying about?
Because he has his toy.
That's Jude's toy. Yours is the carriage and stuff.
Oh. Uh-oh. Look here. Jude's a little mesmerized.
What is it, Jude? Lay down. Are you going to get a spanking on Christmas morning?
You're enjoying getting that shot through?
I was looking at her face. I didn't... Like I said, I'm...
But she's got a sticker on her too. Were y'all sleeping with balloons sticking last night?
See that sideways grin there?
Yeah. This is the way to get him to look up and slow down, though.
No, it's his.
It's mine.
No, see, I don't have it.
Eliza Grace, do you want to open up the rest of your presents?
Uh-oh. Sleigh ride time. You must have took over their play.
Yeah, wait for Nemo.
Oh. Wait for Gigi and Papa.
Oh.
That was new. You picked up Mama wants me to fix you. Liza, please don't be ugly. Good grief.
There's your house, huh?